Hello kids, today we will learn English 1. Now we will learn the poem of Unit 4. The name of the poem is Why. This poem is about a little boy who is very curious and eager to know the reasons for everything happening around. This poem has 4 verses. Now I will read and explain the poem to you. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this, why that, why then, why now? Why not, why by the by? Here the poet says that he knows a little boy who is curious, always asking questions about anything and everything. He is very curious, that means inquisitive, and eager to know about everything. He keeps on asking why this, why that, why now, and why not. For example, why is the sky so high? Second verse, he wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sink, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. Here the poet further describes the queries of the little boy. He asks questions like why does wood swim in water while lead and marble sink in water? These questions asked by him indicate that he is very observant and curious. He observes a lot. He also asks questions why sun should shine and wind should blow, why do we eat and drink, what's the reason behind this? Now, third verse. He wants to know that what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky, why sinks the sun behind the hills, and why the flowers die. In this verse, the poet gives some more examples of the question asked by the little boy. He says that the boy wants to know what are clouds made up of, why do they move up in the sky unlike the other things that move in the ground. He also wants to know that at sunset, why does the sun disappear behind the hills, and what is the reason that the pretty flowers in the garden die all of a sudden. Now the fourth verse, some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. Others, no one ever yet has found the reason why. In this verse, the poet says that some of the questions asked by the little boy are not difficult to answer. We just need to think a little about it and can satisfy the child's curiosity. But the answers to some of these questions is not unknown to us. The poem, all children are curious and eager to know reasons for everything happening around them. This kind of curiosity helps children to imagine, think, and find solutions. Thank you, students.